In this video, I will show you how to create lookalike audiences, and the first step to create a lookalike audience is to create a custom audience. Custom audiences are the audiences that will capture an audience based on the specific point types that we want to use. These custom audiences will be the audiences that we'll use for retargeting, and the lookalike audiences are colder audiences that are based on the data of the custom audience. Meaning, let's go and see it in example so you can understand. Let's go to do a first custom audience and let's choose a customer list. What this means is that you will take your customers or the emails you have in your newsletter, you will download them from the platform you are using as a website or as an emailer, and it will give it to you as a CSV list. You will click here next and next, and you will upload the file. Here for this example we'll have all the Biscuit community members. We will upload it, choose no, name it accordingly, so Biscuit community all members, and this would be put a date, because obviously this list will always change, so it is easier for you when you go back to understand what was the last time that this was updated. Click next, choose email. This is the only thing that you care about. If you see action items here, choose all the do not upload. You don't care about any other mapping rather than the email. Based on the emails, it will find the people in Facebook. Upload anyway. And this now is a custom audience based on your customer list. Click done. You can see here, this is how it is. Now, you can, at some point later on, let's say a month later, you have more customers. You can choose this, upload the new file, update, change the date here to know that this has been updated, and move on. Let's go to create another audience another custom audience based on website activity this time. Click website as a source, go to next, choose your pixel, choose all website visitors to begin with. Retention here, press the icon, it allows you up until 180 days for the last half year. Choose the maximum always, and write an according audience name, all website visitors, last 100 days, and write the date 20th/11/2023, and create an audience. This is so simple. Done. Now, if at some point later on again you want to update this audience, you just click here. When this will be populated, you will see here populating. It will allow you to do the same thing as here, the update, and you will be able to update it. Just don't forget to change the date here, because this will help you know when the data set was captured. Create audience, custom audience. Let's go now to website, but this time let's not choose all website visitors. You can choose people that have visited a specific web page. What you can do here, you can choose based on if the URL contains, for example, cart, you will know everybody that actually visited the cart page, not caring if they purchased or not. If you want to choose all the customers, you can go and choose thank you. If this is the ending of the page that they get, so everybody that purchases, they get sent to a thank you page, and this is why you can find your customers. Name appropriately with the name and the date and the retention span, in this case again 180, and this is what you need to do. Now, this is based on website activity, customers or website activity. What else you can do is create a custom audience based on video views of all the reels and the videos you've posted for the last long time. So let's go video, choose content type. Here you can see that you can choose based on different variations. Here the 95% is the best audience of video views you can have, meaning that it's only made of people that have watched almost all your videos, if not all of it twice. But this will be a small audience unless you have a very, very big presence. So I advise choose at least 3 seconds of your video to capture a bigger audience. So 3 seconds of your video. Retentions, keep it to a year. So all video viewers 3 seconds last 365 days 2011. If you cannot do something, change a little bit here. 3 seconds 11 2023. It is very important to put a correct name because it will help you later on when you will try to figure out which one is which. Now the thing you need to do is choose the videos. Let's choose Tara's page. There is a Facebook page. Choose everything that has a number. Literally, you don't care. Change everything that has a number. Go to page 2. Choose this one. Choose this one and this one. Go to all of them. Then go to the Instagram professional account. Choose your account if it's not chosen. Choose everything that has a view. Like I mean it. It will help Facebook get more data points in and find better audiences later. Confirm, and this is your audience. Let's go to create another custom audience, which would be the Instagram account and the Facebook page. Both work the same. I will show you both. Instagram account, we want everybody that has engaged with this professional account of your Instagram page. What does this mean? It is anybody that has taken any action on any post or ad, that have liked, commented, saved, did a casual swipe, they tapped a button, shared, anything. We keep it as it is, name it properly, and create it. Same goes with Facebook page. It will choose your page. If you use Facebook, this will be very important. You can combine these audiences. I will show you how. But for now, create again with anybody who has engaged with your page for the last year, name it properly and create it. Now you will have a big variety of custom audiences that out of these audiences, you can now create lookalikes. How do we create lookalikes then? Create audience lookalike. You will need to create an existing audience source data source. What did we do? We did all website visitors, other sources, and now we choose the one that we did. That's why it's very important to name them properly so you can choose the correct one. You choose this one, you choose a country. In our case is Ireland. It can be any country, but it can be only one country per audience location. And now you will see this one. This meter is how close the data points based on the custom audience will be created. Ireland has the negative part that it is a small country, so the lookalike audiences, it has a smaller population, so it will create small audiences. 27,500 is quite small, so what I want you to do is go to choose 5 here, drag this until the end, in 2% increments, please. And this will give you 5 audiences, 0 to 2%, 2 to 4%, 4 to 6%, 6 to 8%, and 8 to 10% of 55.2 thousand each. You will see here how it's going to be named and create audience. What you will see later on here, it is now, you will have, let me update here, you will have a list of audiences. Let's go back again to audiences. A list of your lookalikes. This will be populated, so in a couple of minutes to a couple of hours, depending on the size of the audience, you will have your new audiences. Okay, the same thing can happen with all the custom audiences. You will choose your country. Let's go again and see it. You will choose the data source, so let's say Instagram, other sources, engage with Instagram account. If you create it, you will have your date and everything. That's cool. You choose your region. Let's say you wanted to do United States because this is where you want to advertise, not Ireland. This is what I did it. You can see because we're talking about a country of 280 million. Your 0 to 1% will be actually 2.8 million. If you have such a big audience because you want to advertise in another country or UK or whatever, if you have anything more than 500,000, half a million, you just go 5 or 6 again, and you do them only in single increments. 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3. You can see that I will do in this example United Kingdom. United Kingdom will have a little bit over 500,000. You do only the first 6%, you don't care about the rest, and this will give you 500,000 increments of affinity audiences. Create your audience and you're good to go. Now, I will stop this video and I will show you in the next video how to actually create campaigns, how to structure them, how to structure the ad sets, how to use the campaigns for cold audiences, how to create the campaigns for retargeting, and what to do with the ads.